dir noch ein bisschen abstellen. Gottverdammt. Hure Siech. So. Mit Netzwerk verbinden. Ja, oder? Du kannst die Einstellungen ändern. Ja, ja, ja. Helligkeit. Ist ja, wenn du das Logo an beiden Seiten deutlich sehen kannst. Also so. Einstellungen. Schlimm. Bestätigen. Speichern. Immer wichtig. Atlus. Pam pam pam. Cryware. Und wir haben schon mal einen Zuschauer. Herzlich willkommen zum allerersten Teil von Catherine Full Body. Ja, die einen Leute, die den ersten Teil nicht kennen, es ist ein, ja, was soll ich sagen, Minispiel mit einer perversen Geschichte im Hintergrund. Ja, in dem Spiel, im alten Teil ist es darum gegangen, irgendwie Albtraum durchzustehen, irgendwo raufzuklettern und Stufe für Stufe rauf. Und dann ist es halt in der Story ein bisschen weitergegangen, man hat ein bisschen mehr gesehen und nein, nichts zeigen, Trailer oder nein, nichts zeigen. Es ist komplett blind, ich habe keinen Trailer gesehen, gar nichts. Ich kenne nur den ersten Teil von dem Spiel. Da ist die Vorderfrau und die Hinterfrau, haben damit zu tun gehabt. Jetzt haben wir eine dritte Frau, deswegen Slendi und die 3 Frauen. Ja, das wird ein schönes Erlebnis. Und wir haben schon mal einen Kommentar.
Enjoy the story by taking control of our tormented main character. Enjoy difficult
Ja, konfigurieren. Untertitel ein, damit ihr etwas versteht. Ja, ich glaube, das ist da komplett in Englisch. Wir haben schon mal einen Kommentar. Einen Moment. Fröhliches Mäh an alle. Ja, der Jay wieder. Ja, ich würde sagen, wir springen. Ne, der hat sogar eine Online-Arena. Aber das ist wahrscheinlich nicht so interessant. Außer Jay will es mal ausprobieren, aber ich glaube weniger. Okay, ja, viel Spaß mit der Geschichte, übernimm die Kontrolle über den Hauptcharakter und führe ihn in die Freiheit. Neues Spiel. Das ist jetzt das. Eigentlich, ich gehe lieber auf die Story. Eigentlich so, das Puzzlezeug interessiert mich ein bisschen weniger. Also ich nehme sicher, nicht weil ich da kein... Ich sag's einfach so, ich sterbe wahrscheinlich 100 Mal. Deswegen, damit ich auch vorwärts komme und damit die Geschichte auch interessant ist, damit ich mich auf das mehr fokussieren kann, nehme ich sicher. Oder was meinst du, Jay? Soll ich sicher nehmen oder soll ich eine Schwierigkeitsstufe nehmen, da, oder einen Scheissdreck, wo ich sterben kann? Das schießt mich an. Ich will nicht immer 100 Mal sterben, dass ich mal endlich weiterkomme, damit ich weiß, wie es in der Story weitergeht. Live Chat. Live Chat. Habe nichts bekommen. Sorry. Habe nicht gesehen. Aber schreibt mal schnell in die Kommentare rein, was ich soll nehmen. Sicher, leicht, normal oder schwer. Oder, jetzt habe ich einen Kommentar. Mach wie du willst. Okay. Mir egal, ich nehme sicher. Nennt mich Pussy, mir gleich. Traditionelle Remix.
Unusually shaped blocks will appear in the puzzles.
Der
Recommended
Devil.
for those looking for a fresh experience.
Ich nehme das
In this
Klassische.
mode, all blocks will be the usual size. Recommended for those looking for traditional gameplay.
Ja, voll, ja.
Very well. Please enjoy the world of Catherine's
Pussy.
full body at a leisurely
Fuck you.
pace.
Ich will Maps sehen. Mehr will ich nicht. Tanta! Ja, du wieder.
Full-bodied wine is the best. Oh dear. When the night sky fills with glamour, a lovely story awaits you.
Mickey Mouse!
Good evening. Welcome to the Golden Playhouse special feature. Do I see some new faces? Once again, your guide for the night is me, the Midnight Venus, Trisha. Have you heard about this scary rumor? They say if you fall in a dream and don't wake up before you land, you die in real life. Tonight's story is Catherine Full Body, the second coming of an unconventional romantic horror. A man with a certain curse has a terrifying and dramatic week. Oh, does that sound familiar? Well, like I said, this is Catherine, but with a fuller body. It's aged nicely, with a sensual flavor, not unlike a fine wine. Our hero in this story is Vincent Brooks, age 32. He is an earnest and kind man, but one day we begin to see him have terrifying nightmares. Amidst the storm of temptations around him, he has another chance encounter. And an awfully cute one at that. But doesn't this seem a little convenient? Oh my, sounds like a recipe for disaster. Will Vincent be able to overcome the massive blocks in his life? Perhaps he'll take a road less traveled. His outcome depends on you, viewers. Sorry to keep you waiting. Raise the curtains. It's time to savor the marriage of pleasure and pain. Now enjoy the show until we meet again.
Ja. Ich sag mal nichts dazu. Wie ihr hier in dem kleinen Fernseher gesehen habt. Das war der alte Teil. Ziemlich pervers. Ziemlich geil. Das ist so ein geiler Start, Mann. Oh fuck.
Yow, LV. Yo, 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 yo.
Frage nicht. Ein herzliches Mäh. Okay, dann versaus mir halt. Und es beginnt.
Oh shit! Whoa.
Ja, er hat das Küssi bei sich.
What the hell is this place?
Kennst du doch.
What?
Hurry up and climb.
Bin schon dran.
Who are you?
Save your breath and start climbing.
I'll die!
There's no time limit on safety difficulty, so the ground below will not fall. You have plenty of time to think about your next move.
Jo.
Hey, was geht?
Move the
Bin am
block to make it-
Streamen.
How am I supposed to move
Oh,
these things?
cool, cool.
You can grab onto a block with the X button.
Ah, das
and
Game, wo
move
ich
it
gesehen
with
habe,
some
Catherine
blocks
Full
can be
Body.
moved,
Genau.
while other- If you make a mistake moving
Ist
a
das
block,
so eine Art
you can
Horror-Game,
press the
oder?
L1 button to
Horror,
undo it.
perverses Spiel, ja.
Moreover, on
Aha,
safety difficulty,
aha.
you can use autoplay to climb
Warte, wie
automatically.
kann ich da reinschauen bei dir?
If you can't figure out how to
Bin
proceed,
auch auf dem
press
Trace
the
im
R1
Kanal.
button to enable autoplay.
Aha, ah, du machst auch dort die Videos auf. Ja, Amix habe ich ja gesehen, aber ich habe gemeint, das machst du, weil gerade der Remo
takes you
ja
from the
gerade
starting
nicht
point.
online ist.
You can regain control whenever you want. Give it a try.
Ah,
You
du
can't
machst
figure
Amix
out a
echt
way
auf
out.
seinen Kanal auf. Okay. Mal
Nein,
kurz
nein.
reinschauen.
Alright, I got it.
Einfach nicht zu viel reden, hä?
Okay.
Nein. So.
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it. Alright. Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it.
These blocks aren't normal. They'll.
What's that supposed to mean? They connect at the edges.
Even if a block has nothing directly under it, as long as it's touching an edge of another block, connecting blocks at their edges to make stairs is
Ja,
strive
ist
for the
gut.
goal.
Ich will da so viel erklären.
Alright, I got it.
Ja, bist du noch in der ersten Mission, oder wie?
Ja.
Where is this?
If we both make it out.
Hey, wait a second.
When you hear the bell ring, refer to the map located on the
Ja, ich weiß
Moreover,
nicht. Hey, Mo, sorry. Ich kenne das eben noch alles aus dem ersten Teil. Deswegen will ich mir das ganze Zeug auch gerade nicht anhören. Die ganzen Sachen, die er erklärt. Ja. Nein, das nicht. Was da? Nein! Oh, oh. Na gut, ich kann so.
Alright, I got it.
Aber schon lustig, eben, dass du ziehst den Stein, aber du kannst nicht gerade wieder draufklettern.
Mhm.
I can get
Sonst
out
hättest
through
du den
here.
letzten Jahr gerade sein lassen. Aber ja, das ist so ein richtiges Denkding.
Ja, ziemlich. Und das Denken habe ich nicht.
Du doch, musst.
Shit.
Aber der Typ, das bist nicht gerade du gewesen, oder? Das ist jetzt nur einer, der dich dort willkommen geheißen hat, dass du rausgekommen
Now,
bist.
a new game is about to begin. I'll be sure to prepare
Der kleine
something
Engel mit der
extra
Hörner.
special for you behind the next
Aha,
door.
keine Ahnung.
Let's meet again tomorrow night. Look forward to it.
The fuck? Tag 1.
Terrible dream.
Hat er ins Bett gepisst oder was, ne?
Hello? Yeah. I'll be in today's code review meeting. Really? No, I'm just a little under the weather. No, it's okay. I'll be right there. Yeah. Sorry.
Die Story jetzt am Anfang ist genau gleich wie der erste Teil. Außer dass sie in mein Gesicht gesprungen ist. Bitte keine Leute mehr in die Party oder zu viel reden, sonst wieder raus. Danke.
Hey, where'd you go? Snap out of it! Were you even listening?
Sure.
You know, you've been a little out of it lately. Is everything all right? You've been spacing out left and right.
Sorry. I had to work early this morning.
Die Story jetzt am Anfang ist genau gleich. Ich check's nicht. Warum?
So, are you getting
Also die
anything extra
gleichen
for
Videoclips nochmal.
For what?
this? For all this overtime you're doing.
Oh,
Pause.
Einen Moment.
Gleicher Text.
Entschuldigung. Hallo?
Hörst du mich?
Ja, ich höre dir.
Gut, so, jetzt hast du eine private Party, ich lade dich wieder allein.
Okay.
Gern
Aber
geschehen.
siehst du, es ist genau wie der Anfang. Wie vom ersten Spiel.
Ja, ich sehe es.
Ich check's nicht.
Aber ich bin gespannt, was jetzt kommt,
Ja,
Bilder.
ich
Los,
auch.
mach weiter!
This time, do you usually get overtime
Also,
pay?
bis.
So you don't get anything. Here, 2 sugars.
hey, Catherine. Have you ever had a dream where you died?
You mean like where you're in danger?
No, where you actually die. You're being killed or something.
No, I usually do the killing in my dreams.
Huh? Yeah, that sounds like you.
What's that supposed to mean? Hey, how many years have we been together?
Huh? Oh, man. How long has it been? It's been so long I can't remember. How many years?
I'm asking you. It's just, my mother's been calling me up and asking how we're doing.
Oh.
She's worried about me. She knows I've got a career that keeps me busy, but...
Yeah.
I mean, it's easy to keep things like they are now, but...
I don't know. Sometimes easy's best, right? I mean, who knows what'll happen in the future?
I suppose.
Immer noch gleich.
And in other news, we have more on the recent string of unexplained deaths that seem to be exclusively involving young men. Cause of death is unknown, and while police are investigating accidental causes, foul play has apparently not been ruled out.
Hey, change it! The match is on!
No! 2 beers over here!
Coming!
Catherine keeps telling me how her mother's constantly calling her. She says she's not worried about it,
Feather's
though.
totally gonna take it, right, Vinny?
And what do you think?
So, who are you betting on? Come on, pick one.
You kidding? Women's wrestling? What'd I know?
Sounds to me like she finally wants you to tie the knot.
Don't do it.
You think so too?
What else could it mean? I've known you since we were kids, but... Wow. You. Married, huh?
Hey, nothing's set in stone yet.
What, you don't want to marry your girlfriend?
It's not that. I mean, I love her, but I don't think we need to run out and get married. You know, it's like we're comfortable where we are.
Are you?
Yeah, that's what she said. Her job's always most important to her. I mean, you know she's always been the ambitious type, right?
It doesn't mean she'll always be like that.
That's not what I mean. Besides, you're single too.
Hey, I'm still looking for my soulmate. I'm not like you. I've already told my girl that I'm not interested in marrying her.
What if you never meet your soulmate?
Then I'll never get married. So what?
That sounds just like you, Chief.
Oh, how'd the interview go?
The boss seems like a really nice person. He said I could work here starting tomorrow.
So everything's cool with you now?
Mm-hmm. Way better.
Hey, did old boss make any weird moves?
Hey, Rin, come here!
I'll see you later.
Anyway, did you hear about Paul? He's dead.
Paul? Wait. That Paul? He's dead?
Yeah, I heard he just got divorced, but he looked healthy. It's a complete shock.
What happened to him? An accident?
I don't know. Apparently his mother just found him dead in his room this morning.
This morning? Wait, you mean...
Yeah, the mystery death on the news. That was him.
Holy shit, no way!
Maybe we'll all wind up dead tomorrow too.
Shut the hell up.
Man, I hate the news. They're always trying to push their agenda for ratings.
Toby, you are really easy to mess with.
Well, speaking of crazy stuff this morning, I pissed the bed for the first time since grade school.
What? Oh, that's messed up, man.
I had a really scary dream. But I don't remember what it was about.
Oh, man. How old are you?
32.
I know that.
You know, I don't think I need to hear this.
Shut up. I was really fucking scared, alright? Whoa, where you guys going? Stick around. I don't want to go home just yet.
So, why don't you have Catherine meet you here?
No, I just saw her today. Besides, she'd get mad at me if I told her.
Ah, jeez. What does she see in this poor fool? Sorry, but I gotta be in early tomorrow. Don't drink too much, okay?
All right. Take care, Vince. See you later.
See ya.
Bye, bitch. So.
Oh, hey, Erica. So, she managed to get the job, huh?
Of course. I can't just abandon someone with amnesia, especially when they seem like such a good kid. And like Johnny said, there's this innocent cluelessness to Rin that, I just can't help caring about. Not to mention the whole stalker thing. Who would do that, and why?
Seems like even she doesn't know.
Now how could that be? You should find out.
So, also. Keine Ahnung, warum's...
Everything okay now?
Yeah, I think so. I wanted to say thanks. Not just for saving me, but also for finding me a job and a place to stay. I was so scared. I couldn't remember anything. I'm so glad I met someone as nice as you, Vincent.
It's nothing, really. Anyone would have done the same.
Still, you saved me, Vincent. I start working here tomorrow, so I'll do my best to show you my appreciation.
Die kommt mir ein bisschen minderjährig vor. Aber ich glaube, sie ist die dritte Catherine, so wie sie auf dem Cover und so aussieht. Sie ist anders, sie ist neu. Dass sie vorkommt. Bis jetzt. Mal schauen, was noch Neues kommen wird. Okay, probieren wir. Schon komisch. Die meisten sind verheiratet und haben Kinder. Alle zeigen Fotos von ihrer Familie herum. Ich fühle mich wie ein Außenseiter. Vielleicht wird es für uns auch Zeit, uns aus der Komfortzone zu trauen. Von Catherine. Du denkst zu viel nach. Wir müssen uns nicht festlegen. Ich bin ziemlich müde gerade. Okay, ja. Abschied. Wichser!
Certain words and actions change Vincent's inner ideas. A meter will be shown.
Also wir versuchen natürlich ganz in den Teufelsbereich zu kommen.
Words and actions will affect the story. Remember it.
Hey, how many years have we been together?
Jetzt nicht wieder dran denken.
Figured this would happen eventually. Just change jobs. I don't want to give her trouble. Bringing up her parents out of the blue? It's not like her.
You got a mail.
You got a mail. Hängst du wieder im Stray Sheep ab und trinkst? Du weißt, dass du morgen arbeiten musst. Herrje, mach bitte halblang. Ich habe übrigens ein Foto von der Party neulich nach der Hochzeit erhalten. Ich muss die Leute unterhalten, aber es hat Erinnerungen geweckt. Ja, dann zeig mir mal das Bild. Möpse. Schön. Möpse. Antworte. Das wäre so Jays Antwort.
I don't know. I still feel like going home today. Oh, it's Catherine. Oh, sorry. But, well, whatever.
Hallos, bin am Saufen.
Would you like to save your progress?
Ja, warum nicht? Wie spät haben wir eigentlich? Gucken schnell. Wir haben jetzt an 7 Uhr. Ausrechnen, circa zwischen 8 und 9. Okay. Die sind gut. Er sucht immer noch.
There's a lot of people here, but this isn't really my crowd.
Ich höre sie. Jetzt.
Hi. Excuse me. Mind if I sit here?
Okay. Ganz gleich ist es nicht. Glaube ich. Ich bin mir nicht mehr sicher. Ich meine, wir hätten mehr können machen, wir hätten in der Bar können rumlaufen und so. Sumi! Der Tito-Chan, Oscaru, Pair of Pants, what the fuck? Sind das andere Spieler? Da wird es bei 0 bleiben, hm? Ich nicht sterben kann. Fuck you.
Last night's dream? Again? The hell? I was at the bar and this girl came in and then... Damn, I can't remember. What's going on?
You the new guy from last night?
Voice. You're that guy from yesterday.
Oh man.
Listen, watch out for the cracked blocks. They'll break after you step on them.
Also, mir spielt es keine Rolle. Ich spiele es gerne nochmal. Mit ein bisschen... Mit einer neuen Person, weißt du nie, was kommt, gell? Mehr Möpse! Nein, so. Oh fuck. Rotbare, hm?
Alright, I got it. You know you can hang from blocks, right?
If you can't
It's a
find
really
a clear
useful
path
technique.
to walk,
Bla bla bla.
down to the edge.
Bla bla bla.
Rolling along
Bla bla bla.
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it. I see you're still alive and kicking. If you can't see ahead of you,
Jetzt redet nicht so viel.
Alright, I got it.
Ich muss kein Intro mehr haben. Ich weiß jetzt wieder, wie es geht. Hä? Ja, warte schon. Zurück? Zurück. Okay, jetzt muss ich schnell überlegen. Wie ist jetzt das nochmal gegangen? So. 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 Tada!
Finding and picking up a mystic pillow will grant you an additional gather as many as you reach the goal.
It's ringing! We're gonna get out of here!
alright, I got it.
Ich glaube, ich habe Scheiße gebaut. Undo, undo. Egal. Scheiß auf die Goldbarre. Checkpoint.
I'll see you at the landing. Everybody else is there too.
Who's everyone? Hey, wait a second!
Once you've crossed a checkpoint, be sure to run through.
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it. I made it! Here I go!
Aber ich glaube, die Geschichte wird auch ein bisschen länger gehen, weil eben, bis jetzt, ich kann nicht in der Bar umeinander laufen. Ich kann nicht selber saufen und so, das ist bis jetzt nicht gekommen. Und das Spiel hat 70 Stutz gekostet, also ich glaube weniger, dass es ein kurzes Spiel ist. Mal schauen. Mal güchseln.
Looks like you survived.
Who are you? A sheep?
Do I look like a sheep? You're the sheep. Everybody here's a sheep but me.
Recognize that voice? Who are you? Where the hell is this place?
Wish I knew. One thing's for certain, though. If we don't run, we're going to be killed.
Killed?
If you see this place once, it's all over. You'll keep coming back every night.
Every night? You're kidding me.
We all have the same fate here. If you don't want to die, you've got to climb.
So if I climb, I'll be saved?
There's no guarantee. But take a look at that. See that bell? It's like a church or something.
A church?
If we can reach the top, there may be a way to escape.
So there is a way out?
Like I said, there's no guarantee. But we've got to believe. It keeps us sane. Those who panic die first.
Quit with all the dying stuff. I'll do whatever you say. Just help me.
Look, from here on out, I'm afraid you're on your own. I'm going now.
No.
Cheers.
No, wait.
You hurry too.
Hey! Can't be serious.
So.
You can save in the notebook and talk with other sheep on the landings. Go on, talk to them. When the icon is pink, you can talk to them. It grays out.
Speichern ist immer wichtig. Weißt nie, was passiert. Jetzt bin ich seit 31 Minuten am Spielen. Kann das sein? Sprich.
I'm gonna survive, even if it means kicking off others. If you get in my way, I'll kick you off too.
Okay, fick dich.
You want me to teach you the technique I found?
Let's do it.
All right. Remember, this is Todd's technique.
Allow me to explain the pyramid.
Das ist nicht schwer.
The same number of blocks. You'll
Bla
have
bla
the
bla.
support you need to reach.
What you think?
I think that might be tough by itself.
Allow me to explain the slider.
Sieht schon besser
Allow
aus.
2 blocks. Remember this basic action. Since edges connect,
Oh, how was that?
Yeah, I did.
Anyway, what I want to say is this. If you're relying on luck to keep you alive...
I know. This dangerous form of free climbing has some techniques hidden with...
There are many techniques to discover. I guess the key is to find as...
All right, if you find anything, you tell me.
Sorry,
Maybe this will be useful.
interessiert mich gerade ziemlich wenig, was die Leute denken. What the fuck? Allahu Akbar, Schaf.
Quite virtuous, however, to be concerned about someone other than yourself. I'm going to reward you with an oil fee.
An oil?
Ah, my usual...
What is this place? Same here. Wish I knew. What are those cages? Why are there sheep in them? I've had it. Get me out of here.
So, wirklich. Fuck you guys.
There's someone in there.
Why don't you take a seat?
Okay.
Hey, long time no see. Or rather, nice to see you here. And welcome to the confessional.
Who are you?
This is the world of nightmares. I guess you could call me its supervisor. I sense a force of change rising up. What exactly happened in the other world? I guess it doesn't matter. You lambs are all destined to die here anyway.
What? Are you ridiculous?
But before I kill you, I want to determine the value of your life. So you'll have to answer some questions.
Question 1. What expectations do you have for your significant other? Pull the rope with the answer that best matches your true feelings.
Was erwartest du von deiner Partnerin, deinem Partner? Ich weiß, aber ich kann es mir schon denken, dass das passieren wird, dass ich wieder in die Mitte gehe, aber ich schaue nicht wirklich, was aussieht. Okay? Schön zum Anschauen, aber ist nicht das Wichtigste. Jay, lass deine Kommentare.
Then you can think about what's going on here. Let's head to the next trial.
Zur nächsten Prüfung, oder? Raketa! Hier ist die meisten Leute. Guter Charakter, oder? Lügner!
There's still more?
Commencing area 2. Are you ready?
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it.
Da ist er drinnen. Jei, 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 jei. I'm falling and I can't get up. So. Im Standardspiel wäre ich schon verreckt, weil ich zu langsam bin.
Are you getting the hang of this?
How the fuck am I? Hey, don't run off my head, help!
Sorry, man, but I'm not going to die helping. Oh yeah, as you climb, you'll run. Strange.
Ja, Objekt, Objekt. Das ist
a white block. This enables you to create.
Yeah. Time to use this.
Okay.
Edge.
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it.
Edge.
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it.
Edge.
Alright, I got it.
Edge.
Alright.
Edge. Edge.
So, da geht's. Ein bisschen zu konzentrieren, sorry, wenn ich ein bisschen ruhig bin.
This is a dog eat anyway.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, I got it. Alright. Alright, I got it.
Edge.
Alright. Alright, I got it.
Nee, sorry, Bruder.
Alright, I got it.
Edge.
Hoch, hoch, hoch.
Edge. Edge.
I'll take this. Alright. How's this?
Edge.
Alright, I got it. Whoa!
Edge. Edge.
Alright, I got it.
Are you having some trouble? Remember, you can always go back and...
I
Ta-da! Ist mir viel lieber so, anstatt die ganze Zeit umeinander rennen und stressen und das Zeug, das dich hinterherjagt.
You survived. Impressive.
Danke.
It's you. Looks like you're still alive.
Is that you? You're safe too.
Barely. Still. How many people died trying to come here?
People? I don't...
Listen. Here, you see everybody else as sheep. But all these sheep, they're really human. There's got to be some reason why we were all brought here.
What reason could there be? Why do we have to suffer like this?
Who knows?
But I do have an idea.
An idea?
Let's stop the speculation. It's just going to confuse us more. You should think of what to do next. I'm hearing rumors of something big coming soon.
Nog dünner van gisteren.
Something big?
Still, you're really getting the hang of things. There's nothing more I can teach you.
That can't be true. Come on, you gotta have something you can tell me.
If we're lucky, we'll meet again.
Hey, wait! Great.
At the landings, you can learn tips on how to climb. Moving blocks around mindlessly won't work. Try to pick up some useful new techniques. Will be...
I found... Yo, you survived because of the techniques I found, huh? Tell me something. Let me show you a...
Allow me to explain suspending. This push it as...
How's that?
That's it. Allow me to try by creating a stairway as you go down. Try pulling. You will be able to go higher and down.
You knew that?
Yeah, and it...
Okay, all right, feel free.
Ich scheiße jetzt gerade auf Speichern, ich scheiße drauf zum mit dem Schaf reden. Es geht immer so lang. Ich will doch nur wissen, wie die Geschichte weitergeht.
Next question. What?
I've had enough of this.
A man's worth can't be measured by a single... Not to mention, you have more than one path ahead of...
This is the second question. Does life begin or end with marriage?
Definitiv. Definitiv. Das ist vorbei.
I knew it! This is actually a giant chapel with 8 floors.
Wait, does that mean there's an end to this?
The world is in a state of flux. I won't be able to guarantee what your future holds. Be careful what you take for granted. I'm sure you've heard the stories of people losing such things. Something big is coming. I guess there's no point in worrying about the future. You have more pressing matters to attend to. Are you ready?
I don't like that laugh. Just what the hell's going on here?
Bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. Ja, aber siehst Ende des Lebens halt ein Viertel, hat das gesagt. Traurig. Traurig.
You won't escape.
Huh? What? That voice? Where have I...
I won't let you escape.
What the hell is this? Catherine?
The Fists of Grudge have appeared. It's the killer. Do not die.
Oh, da muss ich gleich stressen. Oh nein.
When you use a bell, all nearby blocks will be converted into... This is handy for getting rid of tricky obstacles.
Edge.
Right, I got it. I'll take this.
Edge.
Right, I got it.
Edge.
Alright, I'll do this.
Edge. Edge.
Muss doch auch normal machbar sein, oder?
Well, almost there.
Edge. Edge.
Alright. Use this.
Edge. Edge.
Alright.
Edge.
Okay, also Boss-Dinger muss man immer noch ganz normal machen, ne?
Alright, I got it. Alright, I got it.
Edge.
Alright, I got it.
Edge.
I made it!
Fuck you, bitch!
Don't you run! You won't escape.
Burn, bitch, burn!
Is it gone? I'm saved, right?
Hallelujah!
Yeah!
Mir Hunger.
Congratulations are in order. Your escape from the prison of despair was perfection indeed. As promised, I have something special to show you tonight. Think back to long ago. Back to a time when you felt happy.
Sorry about today. I don't usually burn the bacon like that.
It's alright, I don't mind it a little crispy. I can tell something's going on with you. You working too hard?
No, I'm fine. You've been gaining weight, haven't you? Can't forget to eat your veggies.
Well, I put ketchup on almost everything.
That doesn't count.
You know what?
Hey!
Maybe a little workout will burn off those extra calories.
What do you think? Fond memories, huh? You should think long and hard about what you have to lose. Let's do this again tomorrow. If you can survive, that is.
Da muss ich nichts sagen, oder? You are fucked, man.
Marriage is just a tradition, right? Seriously, who wants to be tied down? As long as two people are together, it's okay, right? It's best to be free, don't you think?
Kind of surprising.
Hmm?
You know how it is with most girls. As soon as they're adults, all they can think about is tying the knot, right? But there are girls like you out there. Never knew.
Oh, it's not that strange, is it? Men aren't the only ones who fear being chained down.
I'll remember that.
Thank goodness.
Huh?
We think alike.
Whoa! Whoa.
What is it? What is it?
Whoa! You all right?
Yeah, thank you. You're so kind.
I was... sorry. Well, I have to work tomorrow, so I need to get home. Oh, I had fun tonight. Oh.
You must like what you see.
I'm not staring.
You're a bad liar. You taste like smoke, but I don't mind.
Ha! You don't say.
Wisst ihr jetzt, was ich meine mit pervers?
Holy shit. Oh man, this is not good.
What isn't good?
Well, you know, hooking up after we just met. Jeez, what the hell am I saying?
Huh? Is this gonna be a problem?
So, okay, I cheated on Catherine. This is bad. This is really, really bad. But I didn't make a move. She forced herself on me. Oh, fuck, man. I drank way too much.
Would you mind not staring at me like that? It's kind of creepy.
Oh. Sorry.
Listen, I don't want you to get the wrong idea, okay? I don't just sleep around. I came here because I like you.
Huh?
Was.
So, how do you feel about me?
Huh? Oh, wow, I can't quite explain it. I feel odd. You see, this is my first time. Oh, wow, I can't believe it. And I am really screwing this up right now.
So then, it was love at first sight?
Huh? What? I'm sorry. I'm really...
You said you have to work, right?
Work? I guess?
Sorry, I gotta go now. I have a dentist appointment now.
Dentist?
Yeah, dentists get angry if you're late, too.
Das ist so.
You a little longer. I guess they'll have to wait until next time. Okay, see you soon.
Hey, wait! I'm actually dating someone already. This is a mistake.
Für wie viele Jahre?
Mistake. Be a mistake.
Oh nein, Brudi. Oh nein. Du hast verkackt.
You know what? It just hit me. You know how they say every guy has 3 hot streaks with the ladies in his life? This is your 3rd.
What the fuck?
Hot streaks? When the hell were the other 2?
When we were kids, you're the most popular with the girls.
I don't remember that.
The second time you were in the zone was when you started dating Catherine. Although, that's over if she finds out about this.
Crap, man. She's probably gonna kill me.
That's what you're all scared about. As long as she doesn't find out, you're safe, right? Just act like it never happened.
I'm not like you. I can't just ignore this.
Well then, why not switch it up? That way you won't hear any more marriage talk, right? All that stuff about soulmates and eternal love is bullshit. Married life sucks, man. You really want to go through the same shit I have?
I'm not like you. I don't want to sleep around. I just want life to stay the same. What am I gonna do? I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
If you're gonna whine, you shouldn't have done it, dumbass.
Well, no shit. I wish I could just live all carefree like you.
Don't you realize there's nothing you can do, you schmuck? No matter how good you are to a woman, you never know if she'll stab you in the back. Well, if you're gonna ditch the new girl, hook me up. She's cute, right? You got a picture of her?
Nice. No, I don't have her pic. She's not your type anyway.
Come on, how do you know that?
Because she's my type. Oh. I am so fucked.
Hey, have you heard the rumor about the dream where you're falling?
Huh? Who cares?
Come on, if you fall and die in the dream, you'll die in
Slendi.
real life. My friend's boyfriend almost died. Isn't that scary?
Huh? How do you know? Were you able to see his
Hey, mijn naam is streamen.
Hey, you alright, man? What's
Set up.
I guess I didn't really get much sleep last night.
Obviously. Anyway, you're way too freaked out over a one-night stand. Hey, you paying attention?
Teenaged.
Listen, man.
Frauen.
Wow. Huh. I never saw the girl.
Whoa, really? I figured one of you guys told her to sit with me.
If this girl was cute, you'd definitely remember.
You know, I gotta say, because of you jerks, I never get a chance to date anyone.
If I was a ladies' man, I wouldn't be here every night with you guys. Anyway, you dig the older chicks, don't you?
Yeah, I want a woman who's, you know, mature, stern, and has a nice pair of heels.
Whoa, man. I like that creepy guy in horror movies who tries too hard to be noticed.
Mark is keeping
Shut up!
eyes.
I'm not like that! What's wrong with, you know, having some adult fun with someone older than I am?
So, did I hear someone call for me?
Oh, hey, Erica!
I've got a nice pair of stiletto heels I know how to use.
Whoa, Erica.
Okay, enough of that. So have you guys heard about the woman's wrath? They say it targets cheating men and kills them. Or not.
Which is it?
Wait, what? What exactly is this woman's wrath?
Oh, you don't need to worry about it. You only care about your girl, Vincent.
Oh, what are you talking about? This guy totally needs to know.
Cheating is pathetic.
I agree with Toby. Pathetic.
Who are you calling pathetic? Shut up and eat your peanuts.
Huh?
What? You're cheating. Weren't you talking about marriage?
Why don't you say it louder? Seriously, stop yelling about cheating and shit. I think someone on Mars didn't quite hear you.
Oh, that's low, Vincent. Lowest of the low.
Don't call me that. Now you know. Just leave me alone.
Well, come on, tell me about this girl.
Oh, God.
Apparently, she's Destiny level cute.
Cut that shit out.
Are you kidding? Finding your soulmate is awesome. I'm totally jealous.
You jackasses better not mention this to anyone outside the bar. I am serious.
Dude, we know the drill.
Say, have you heard? It seems that Boss was a bit of a player back in the day and broke more than his share of hearts. You see how he's wearing those tacky sunglasses indoors? They say he's using those to hide his face.
Yeah, right.
You're in hot water yourself, right? Maybe you should invest in some shades.
Ha ha ha. Shut up. I'm done fooling around.
Oh, by the way, Rin's gonna play the piano here, starting today.
Hurry, get up! It's coming for me!
That? Oh!
What the fuck? Was hij eruit gegaan?
You okay? Hello? Do you know where you are? Okay, never mind that. How about a name?
Rin.
Rin? That's a nice name.
Who is that, though?
Who that though? Who that though?
Yeah.
No.
What was that?
Amateur hour.
Oh, don't say that. Rin's working really hard.
Vincent?
What did you think of my performance?
Oh, it was, great. Yeah, it was great. Really, unique.
Thank you so much. I was hoping to play a little better than that, but...
Don't worry about it. No one gets things perfect the first time around.
I guess you're right. I'll have to keep practicing.
Yeah, if the bar doesn't go out of business by then.
Well, I'll see you later.
See you.
Well, nobody's perfect. I mean, if she's that cute, who cares, right?
What's up with you anyway? Saving some cute girl from a stalker in the streets? Sounds like a daytime soap opera. That stuff doesn't really happen.
Well, it did, so give it a rest.
Does that girl really have amnesia?
Erica, you took her to the doctor, right? Did they find anything?
Not really. They think it's only temporary.
Good.
But it must be hard when the only thing you remember is wanting to play piano.
Hey, so are you two really neighbors now?
Yeah, the last guy just happened to move out.
You better keep your hands off her.
Oh, shut
Hallo,
up.
fliegen.
It's not like that. I'm an old man over here.
Fliegen.
But you guys really came through for us.
You know it. Having Rin work here was a great idea, huh? We have you guys and even a police officer as customers.
Streamer. Ja, schön.
Not to mention, public spaces are a lot safer if she's really being stalked by someone.
Yeah.
Hör jetzt auf.
Spend some time at the bar. You
Jetzt?
can drink by pressing the square button, or get up by pressing the circle button.
Okay.
You can open menus with the options button. You can change the puzzle.
Ich kann so viel ändern, machen, tun. Ja. Trinken.
When you drink, you can raise your intoxication level. How drunk Vincent gets corresponds to how fast he moves that night in his nightmare.
Shit. I've never cheated in my...
Du redest mir zu viel. Saufen.
Cheating, huh?
Nein, nicht reden, saufen.
I know this is sudden, but here's some trivia for you. As you rum is made from the sugar cane.
Halt die Fresse, Mann, ich will saufen.
Tea already? Hey, can I get a drink?
Understood. Here you go.
Rin, I didn't order wine. It looks really expensive. And the full-bodied stuff.
I know this is sudden, but here's some trivia about wine. For those who are enjoying, unlike
Alter, ist das dein Ernst? Abfahren mit dem ganzen Zeug.
That wine is for another customer.
Oh? Sorry.
Don't worry about it.
But please let me know if there's anything else you'd like to order.
Ja, immer noch irgendein Whisky oder so. Wäre doch etwas.
What would you like to order?
Wo ist der Whisky hier? Oh, fix Sache.
I'll try sake.
Sake. I'll take a beer.
Beer.
Okay.
Saufen wir ein bisschen mehr. Saufen wir ein bisschen mehr. Saufen wir ein bisschen mehr.
No use worrying about it now.
Halt die Fresse und sauf. Halt die Fresse, sauf. Halt die Fresse und sauf. Ja, was willst du schon wieder? Ich hab keine Ahnung, warum auch immer das gekommen ist. Ich hab das nicht bestellt. Ich weiß nicht von wem. Ja, no. Ah, halt die Fresse, Mann!
What would you like?
Ja, noch mehr. Mehr. Mein Whisky ist weg. Nimm mir halt das Bier.
Sake, please.
I'll take a beer.
Beer.
Okay.
Immer das Gleiche. I'll take a beer.
Thank you for waiting.
Sauf, 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 sauf.
Shit. I've never...
Ja, sauf, Bruder, sauf drauf.
Cheating, huh? It's not like...
Ich will mit den Leuten eigentlich nicht reden, ich will nur wissen, wie es in der Story weitergeht.
I know this is sudden, but here is some trivia about beer, now that you've emptied your pint glass.
Ja, machst diese.
Do you know what craft beer is? To be classified as craft, finding local... Now that makes... And that would...
Deal, Red.
Schon wieder leer.
You still want a drink?
Ja, jetzt ist genug und jetzt gehen wir heim und jetzt gehen wir Spiele spielen und dann geht es in der Story weiter und dann... Schamone. Tschüss Jungs, ade, schönen Sonntag. Warte, kann ich mit ihr reden? Ah ja.
Thanks for everything, Vincent. I'll get to see everyone here each night. And I'm really excited to play the piano at a place with such an adorable name like the Stray Sheep.
Don't thank me, thank Erica. Oh, no, wait, actually, it was Boss who hired you.
So I heard that you're getting married?
Well, I don't know about that. We have been together quite a while, though.
I see.
Das wird sich noch ändern, definitiv. An die Bankkonto anschauen.
Just changed jobs. I don't have any cash. I can't marry her like this. Fuck.
Raus.
Hey, are you going home?
Ja.
Way too much going on.
You can count on me. Jeez,
You
amnesia
count
is
on
so
me.
scary, and wanting to play piano is so specific.
I'll let you know if she remembers it.
Bla 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 bla. So viel Laber, Laber, Laber. Spät haben wir. Alter, ich bin jetzt schon 2 Stunden dran. Die Zeit verläuft einfach nicht.
It's just, my mother's been calling me up and asking how we're doing.
You don't want to marry your girlfriend?
I don't just sleep around. Vincent? What did you think of my performance?
Schlafen und überleben. Schon wieder.
Tonight's area is the torture chamber, where traitors are put to rest. I'm sensing an unusual presence tonight. What could be waiting for you?
So, also. Das wird das letzte Minispiel sein, also quasi bis zum nächsten Turm rauf, komplett. Ja, ja, die Fresse. Also, bis zum nächsten Kapitel quasi. What the fuck? Das ist neu. Glaube ich. Auf jeden Fall. Was soll ich jetzt wieder sagen? Jetzt weiß ich es schon nicht mehr. Irgendetwas soll ich sagen. Ah ja. Letzte Tour, die wir machen. Danach letzte Geschichte. Noch schauen und dann, sobald es weitergeht mit einem Puzzle, dann stoppe ich für heute. Ich muss dann essen gehen, wirklich. Und ja. Dann morgen wieder. Was ist das eigentlich?
By using a Bible, you can eliminate those who stand in your way. That way, no one can block your path.
Gerade so.
See you up ahead.
Komm weg.
Out of the way. Almost there.
For fuck's sake. Fake Sachen, Leg din ernst.
If you can't find a way forward, you may wish to undo and try a new start.
And I did it.
I made it. It's collapsing.
Spring auf, du Idiot.
That sound. Stop falling? Now's my chance!
Muss ich rauskommen?
Saved by a mysterious power. This is getting very interesting.
Bugs nicht.
Rin? What are you doing here?
Oh, hi, Vincent. I'm not sure what's going on, but I found this piano, so I just started playing it. What are you doing here? Is that your underwear?
Don't look at me like that. Wait, aren't I just a sheep to you?
A sheep? What do you mean?
Come to think of it, you're not a sheep either. What's going on? There's no time for that. This place is bad. If you don't get out of here, you're gonna die.
Die? I see. So that's why everyone's so scared. In that case...
I'm telling you, this is no time for piano.
Playing music calms my heart, even in a place like this. I'd like to share that feeling with everyone else.
That song.
What the shit?
That's right. I heard it earlier, and then the ground stopped crumbling. Was that because of Ren's playing? Ren?
Fünf Zuschauer. Damn. Herzlich willkommen. Speichern. Okay. Hello.
Hello. What happened to the piano music? Provided a nice ambience for developing techniques. It'd be nice if you could join us. Ooh, me? Your climbing was quite innovative.
Sure.
First, here's a technique I thought of.
Allow me to explain the bridge. If you must cross again that way, you...
What do you think? Did you know that one?
Oh, what about this then?
Allow me to explain the flying bridge. Using principle, push the same block twice.
Das ist standardmäßig.
I knew
Und
it.
das Zeug.
You're not just a regular guy. That's really cool, buddy. I think that'll help me beat...
Okay, gut. Gehen wir. Ich will mit diesen ganzen Leuten nicht reden. Es sind mir zu viele Menschen. Kann ich nichts mit denen anfangen.
Well, well.
jeden Fall ein neues Gebiet.
Surprise. I didn't expect to have a visitor. This must be the first time such a thing has happened here.
What the hell is going on? You know something about Rin.
Let's just say the tide has shifted. Thanks to you, something unexpected is taking place. Regardless, I'll continue to ask you questions.
This is the third question. How would you feel if a celebrity you liked announced that they were getting married?
Einfach das Prinzip. Ich weiß, dass es runtergeht. Was will ich da sagen?
Doesn't matter. By the way, you can't take these memories with you when you return to the real world.
So I'm gonna forget this place when I wake up?
If you were to try anything in reality, it'd be trouble. That's the rule. No exceptions.
Meinst. Aber nochmal das Puzzle und dann nochmal das Puzzle und Boss. Oder Puzzle und dann Boss. Ah, Puzzle und dann Boss. Ich will einfach böse sein, okay? Ich will nicht gut sein, ich will böse sein.
Remember, each type of block
Ich bleibe immer noch bei der Blondine Catherine. Die ist mir viel lieber.
Damn it! Those traps again!
Commencing Area 2. Are you ready?
Vincent!
Rin! Where are you?
Up here! The ground below is falling! Please be careful!
Are you serious? Give me a break!
From here on out, Rin will use a special power to support them. When Rin starts to play the piano, the rate at which blocks fall will slow down. Take advantage of this.
Bei mir geht es eh nicht, aber... Eigentlich.
Right, I got it. Right, I got it. I got it.
Pero pasó.
This. I got it. I got it.
Das macht keinen Sinn. So viel Puzzle! Ficker.
It's raining. I'm gonna get out of here. I got it.
Bye, bitch! Schön. Ein Kunst.
That is impressive. I admit you've surprised me.
Ich mache zack, 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 boom, bam, bitch. Du wieder.
Rin, you're okay.
Seems I ended up here when I was finally happy with how I was playing.
What the hell is going on with you and that piano?
Hey, quit the chit-chat and keep playing. I don't care if you suck at it. I'm scared of dying.
Listen, we're kind of in the middle of something.
Shut up! You're not the only one who's... That piano saved me earlier.
Don't worry, I won't... Sorry. I guess we'll have to talk later.
Yeah. 6 Zuschauer, hey! Jetzt ist schon am Aufsteigen, Gottverdammt. Herzlich willkommen.
I get it now. Man, night after night. Listen to that girl.
Und die Leute irgendwie einen Trick. Nein. Abfahren. Okay. Schnell speichern. Weil jetzt kommt, glaube ich, Boss. Dann. Und da will ich nicht drauf gehen. Also die Steighaie gleich haben, obwohl ich eingestellt habe, safe. Komisch. Ma du siehst.
Piano seems to have an interesting power, but will it always be there for you?
What do you mean by that?
It's your destiny, so do your best.
This is the fourth question for a new possibility. Would you want your partner to disclose all their secrets?
Weiß nicht, wie sich das jetzt gerade geändert hat.
I hope you're being honest. You'll need to survive if you want to learn the truth. There are sheep that have persevered in the past.
Really?
All the way up on the 8th floor is a cathedral. It's said that those who reach that holy pinnacle, how you proceed from there, will be up to you. Listen, I can hear the voice of the one trying to take your life tonight.
Again?
Schon wieder. Hui! Liga! So, Konzentrationsmodus. Hm?
This is the final area for tonight. Use the terrain to your advantage and avoid attacks.
Angriff. Angriff von wem? Ist er jemand am Stöhnen?
Seriously, give me a break.
Alter!
The immoral beast has appeared. It's the killer. Do not die.
What the fuck ist das für ein Vieh, Mann? Das Ding kommt. Hässlich, Mann.
It's ringing. We're gonna get out of here. Right, I got it.
Nein, aufhören.
How's this?
Einfach wenn es kann. Schmaune. Me champion.
I get it now. Opening the door is crossing the finish line.
Oh, Hallelujah, hallelujah. Suck your mom. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ja, ist egal. Ich will keine Trophäe, ich will keinen schweren Modus, gar nichts.
Tonight's theme is the fleeting memories of youth.
Don't leave so soon.
I'm just filling in for someone while they're gone.
Filling in? Damn, I'm gonna make you my own personal cheerleader.
Don't you have a girlfriend?
I heard a college student asked her out yesterday.
Don't doubt that.
I have to go change. Sorry. Hey guys! I brought lunch again today.
All right. Yes.
She's totally into me, man.
No.
Ah, come on. I can dream, can't he?
You adored her so much back then. Shame how people change. On the other hand, maybe you can change again now. Where will you go from here? This is getting exciting.
Vor allem das Geile an dem Spiel, ich habe richtig geile Hüllen bekommen. Oh, also man sieht es nicht so gut. Scheisse.
Catherine?
Huh? Catherine?
What is she doing here? I thought I came home alone. Shit. Sorry. Did I say something?
Catherine.
I did? Well,
It's okay. But it's a bit embarrassing.
It is?
You haven't called me by my name before. Have you?
Your name?
What is it, Vincent?
Nothing. Are you fucking kidding me?
Hey, are you angry with me? Sorry for coming by out of the blue.
Wait. So she just crashed here? Well, I'm more surprised than angry.
I thought that you'd want to see me, Vincent.
Zoom een beetje runter.
Just
Whoa,
kidding.
hey.
I couldn't keep myself away from you. Last night was amazing. It was the first time I've ever done something like that.
What?
Anal.
Whoa, wait. What did I do?
You're gonna make me say it? You're so
Whoa, wait.
kinky.
Okay, time out. Time out.
You've got 10 seconds.
Okay, look. Why me?
Because I like you. What about you, Vincent? What do you think about me?
I think you're really cute.
Thanks. What else?
What else?
Am I just cute?
How do I put this? I'm kind of jealous of you. You seem to live however you want.
What do you mean? That's normal, isn't it? Vincent, you can live however you want too. Just so long as you never think of cheating on me.
Cheating? Listen, Catherine. There's something I gotta tell you.
Ja.
Come on.
Hey.
You think you look good in those?
Yes?
Quit joking around and listen. This is really important.
Sorry.
This month, I'm running really late.
Huh?
I think I'm pregnant. Say something.
Sorry,
So,
Beste
what are
thee
you
drinken,
thinking?
broeder.
So why am I to take responsibility, right?
Right.
Come on, say something.
Of course I'm happy, but...
But?
This is great.
So you're happy. That's good to hear. To be honest, I was a little worried. It's so hard to tell what you're thinking sometimes.
Oh, don't worry about me. I mean, yeah, it's surprising, but it's not like you're sure of anything yet, right?
Well, yeah. Go ahead, answer it.
Okay. Hello?
Oh, hello. It's me.
Hello. Thank you for calling.
What are you doing? Hey, I'm in the area. You think we can meet up?
Yeah, that's going to be a little difficult.
Aw, you mean you can't? Where are you right now?
How did she get my number? I gotta hang up or she'll suspect something. What's that? Hello? You're breaking up. Oh.
What was that?
Huh? Just a call from work. Said something about a bug, but it got cut off. You know, the reception isn't very good in the office, but it didn't sound urgent, so...
Not that, your phone. Did you get another one?
Huh? Oh, this! Yeah, the new model came out last week, so...
It hasn't been that long since you got your old one. You could have still used it. Didn't you buy a new computer a little while ago, too? You always throw your money away. You're going to have to watch yourself from now on. You know what I mean, right?
Right. Sorry.
Well, it's okay since you've been working hard. After all, I might have to take maternity leave.
Yeah, you might, huh?
Oh, but I plan to go back to work after having the baby. We'll just have to split up the housework, okay? You can't throw your clothes everywhere anymore.
Oh, okay.
Also...
Deswegen, heiraten, dann ist vorbei.
Really ticks me off. I'm gonna curse him to death. Maybe his name will appear in the morning.
So you need to make sure you're saving up. And all your late-night drinking isn't cheap, you know. So I'll be handling all our bank accounts.
You're still serving up. I'll have the summer squash pasta.
Swallow. That voice.
Hey, listen to me!
I'm listening. My stomach hurts really bad. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Vincent, you've been acting weird today.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine, really.
No, I don't mind being in the smoking section.
Hey, is this the smoking section?
Huh? Well, yeah. Oh, right. You've got to quit smoking, too. It's not good for the child.
Bathroom gotta go right now.
I'll ask my parents when they'll be available.
Oh, Vincent. Oh, Vincent, you fucked up. Really hard.
That was a fucking close one. Rin, you in there? You left your door open.
What the shit?
Oh, good morning.
Whoa.
Ow!
You okay? Be careful down there.
I must have been so tired. I just...
Oh yeah! Last night was really something, huh?
Last night? You heard it. Okay, I can explain this. It's not what you think. I'm not that kind of guy. I mean, I don't even know what happened.
You don't remember?
Well, you know, I've been kind of forgetful lately. And, anyway, can we talk about this room?
Is something wrong with it?
Not wrong. I just mean, what is all this? Like that thing. What is that thing?
Oh, that? At nighttime, all those lights turn on. It's really pretty. Oh, and that one wiggles when you sing to it. It makes me feel better when I'm down.
Well, I mean, I guess that's what the piano is for, right?
Sometimes I don't even have the energy for that. These things make me happy just by looking. They're my treasures.
You don't say. Well, come to think of it, I used to collect those ninja sheep erasers I got in my cereal. Oh, they might not have looked like much, but I sure did love the damn things. Parents didn't, though. One day they just threw them all in the trash.
That's so sad. Only you should get to say what's important to you.
Meine Assassinensammlung.
I know. I'll give you one of mine. The tip lights up on that one.
No, it's fine. But thanks for the offer, though.
Are you sure? I want to share my happiness with you.
You're an odd one, Rin. Yet, it's kind of a breath of fresh air. Never met anyone quite like you before.
So, what kind of people have you known?
Oh, you know, people telling me to be a man, to grow up. Just a lot of people trying to push their values onto me, you know?
I think they're the odd ones. No one can tell you how to live your life, Vincent.
Yeah. Oh, right. Here. You'll need a way to stay in touch with Erica, right? Well, there's my old cell phone. You know how to use it? Here, let me show you. Okay, you see this? You press this button here, and then you... All right, you got it all set up? Why don't you try sending me a text? Oh, look, there it is.
mail.
Catherine?
I'm not sure about the spelling, but, that's the name I remember.
Wait, when she told me her name, did I only hear the last part? Oh, I see. So you're another one. Okay.
Is something wrong?
Nope, no. But, Rin is easier to say, so can I keep calling you that?
Of course.
You fucked up. Ich muss sowieso denken, auf dem Cover und so, Catherine, dann sollte doch nur eine sein.
At the cafe?
Die heißt Rin?
That's a close call.
Weird.
I can't believe she didn't catch you.
Dude, is she really pregnant?
If she is, your life is fucked with a capital F.
It's not fucked yet. I mean, nothing's set in stone.
So, then, what'd you tell her?
Who's the father?
I told her I was happy to hear about it.
Doesn't look like you're happy at all.
This is all getting too much for me, you know?
So you're finally tying the knot. Congrats, Papa. Get ready to kiss your wife's ass for the rest of your natural life. No going out late, no liquor, no smoking, no gambling. No relaxing on weekends because you've got to take care of the kids.
Really? Dang, that sounds really tiring.
Hey, you guys. Quit filling his head with doom and gloom.
Erica!
Come on, cheer up. Raising a nice, happy family is supposed to be a good thing, right?
A happy family.
Oh,
Never had one of those before.
lang sind wir denn da schon da?
I can't see it.
Yeah, well, you're not the only one.
That's irrelevant. It's just because of the way you two grew up. So, Vincent, what's this weird dream you said you had? We'll listen to
So
you
gut
tonight.
wie 2 Stunden.
Weird dream?
Why are you asking now?
Tipptopp.
I really can't
Das lange mal
remember
für
it
den Anfang.
anyway.
You don't?
I was being chased by something. I don't know, it was scary.
Ein Moment.
Sounds common to me.
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah, and you feel like you didn't get any sleep at all that night, right?
Excuse me.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Did you people know the reason you're taught as a child to count sheep so you'll fall asleep is...
Yeah, sheep rhymes with sleep or something.
Ah, sorry.
Hey, boss, another rum and cola, please?
Hey, don't be so rough.
Ja,
on the
Mann,
guy.
voll.
One day we'll all be old
Es ist etwas Neues, es läuft
Not all of
etwas.
Anyway, you're having these weird
Nicht sehr.
dreams because you're cheating.
Yeah, I get that, but...
Besides, Catherine might be pregnant, right?
Nicht
Don't need to remind me of that.
Wo ist mein vierter Mops?
Basest instincts to cheat.
FIFA.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Yeah, set it down and walk away.
That's about what happens now.
Well, have fun while you still can. Heard those two used to date each other.
Feather and Beetlejuice?
What? No way!
Well, same-sex couples are pretty common these days.
That's not what I mean. When two chicks pair up, that's two less fish in the sea for me.
Oh, were you seriously thinking of dating him?
Just saying.
Hey, Rin! What do you think about same-sex couples?
Did you really need to call her over for that?
Is it a big deal? I guess I never thought about it that much. As long as you love each other, that's all that matters, isn't it?
So they don't even need to be human?
Yeah.
This girl's on a whole nother level.
I don't know. I think it's sweet. Isn't it, Toby?
I told you I like girls. You too, right, Vincent?
I mean, yeah.
Well, you are dating one. Or two.
Shut up.
Oh, what am I gonna do with you guys?
Time will slowly pass each time you sit and talk to people. Have fun with the other bar patrons. Some customers are experiencing difficulty. You can go home at any time from the...
Ja.
You got a mail.
Moment, Handy schnell kontrollieren. Das schauen wir doch noch so. Awards, yay. Okay. Das Einzige, was ich noch habe, ist das. Ja, auf jeden Fall. Ich wünsche den lieben Zuschauern noch einen richtig schönen Abend. Danke vielmals fürs Zuschauen. Wenn alles klappt, werde ich morgen etwas aufnehmen, sonst übermorgen wieder. Ja, bis jetzt gefällt es mir. Es hat etwas Neues dabei. Ein bisschen andere Levels sind aufgebaut. So, irgendwie die gleiche Geschichte, aber gleich noch etwas anderes dazu. Plus noch dritte Catherine und so. Ja, mal schauen, wie pervers und interessant das sonst noch wird. In dem Fall nochmal danke fürs Zuschauen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Peace.